Good morning students, welcome to 5th GK class. Today we will start chapter number 24, Fathers of Science. The first father of geometry is Euclid. Second, the father of psychology is Sigmund Freud. Next, the father of computer is Charles Babbage. The father of Indian chemistry is P.C. Ray. The father of medicine is Hippocrates. The father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel. Next, the father of homeopathy is Hahnemann. Next, the father of botany is Theophrastus. Father of botany is Theophrastus. Next, the father of nuclear physics is Ernst Rutherford. The father of railways, George Stephenson, and the father of immunology is Edward Jenner. The father of buoyancy is Archimedes. The father of atomic bomb is Julius Robert Oppenheimer, and the father of biology is Aristotle. So students, these are the fathers of science, and the last father of Indian medical system is Charaka. Now let's start next chapter, I Wonder. Students, there are some wonderful things in the world. We will discuss about that. Like the first one is, why do snakes swallow bigger animals? Students, the structure of snake's jaw is such that it swallows bigger animals and flatter animals that are more bigger than its own head. And this skin near the or around the mouth, the skin of the snake can expand a lot, and also the food pipe in the mouth can expand to a great extent. So that's why a snake can swallow bigger animals without any difficulty. Next is the second question, why do moths fly around the light at night? Students, many insects are attracted towards light, and the movement of their wings is strengthened by the light. When the light comes from a candle or a bulb, one eye of the moth perceives more light than the other. So this makes the moth flap wings on one side faster than on the other side. This is the reason, that's why the moths approach the source of light in a spiral manner. Next I wonder is, why does the sky appear blue on a sunny day? Students, sunlight is made up of 7 colors. According to the Vibgyor, the 7 colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Students, normally we do not see these colors, but when the sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere, it splits into its 7 colors, and blue color breaks off from the rest and spreads all over the sky. So this is the reason why on the sunny day sky appears blue. Otherwise the sky has no color. Now next is, why does mother kangaroo has a pouch? Students, kangaroos are marsupials. The born babies are immature and the development of baby is completed in the pouch, and the baby kangaroo is kept in the pouch for 11 months till it matures. Now the next is, why does hot or cold liquid remains as it is for hours in the vacuum flask? Students, a vacuum flask consists of a enclosed double-walled glass bottle which is enclosed inside a protective casing, and between the two walls of a glass bottle there is almost vacuum. So there is no transfer of heat, so that's why a liquid remains hot or cold for hours together. Now the last is, how do we know the taste of our favorite dish? Students, there are about 10,000 taste buds in our mouth, which are spread all over the mouth, and out of them, most of them are on the tongue, some of them are on the roof of the mouth, some are on the cheeks, and some are even on the lips. So these taste buds help us to taste different or to identify different tastes. So students, this is your chapter and your syllabus is completed. Prepare your syllabus. Thank you and have a nice day.